Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Together we achieve, together we can fly, reaching for the sky.
ICFA University, Meghalaya.
Unang yalam ka United Democratic Party uba karman sila ubalangru UMLA ka Kliriat constituency. Ulaong baka party ka danbet akajingetali balada ja baki UMLA gi Pynneh naka party shwa ka election ka party kan say di Riewthymmai pan Pynneh ya kasid nagi constituency bla Pynneh ki UMLA ka party. Hakajingekran bakila pathai khubor uba sila ulapan pauru ba omdan jing tip satya ya ka jing temu jing ki UMLA ka party ban mino naka party Henry ki jing shisha baro ken sa pau perthai tat andala jan ka election.
Approach anyone because we are doing the same. We can approach the NPPs, MLAs, or maybe the BJPs, MLAs, whoever we want we can approach. But their decision, their call, that will make the impact. So as of now, anybody can come to anyone. Let them plan. Until unless they jump, we cannot say anything. Planning, let them plan. We also have our own plan. UDP has our own plan. So if somebody plan to jump, we plan how to refill that. As I've said, we want to retain back the seat. So for this, we have our own plan. But we are waiting if anything or anyone taking steps of withdrawing from the UDP, then that same seat or in the same constituency, we have to file somebody else. And for that, we have to make sure those voters who voted us, we will want them to vote again for our candidate in any constituency and then revive back the seat. That is what we want to make sure. So if somebody make a statement or wants to go to somewhere else, so that is their call. We cannot say anything against them because they are allowed and they can do it. But what we can do from the party is that make sure we retain the seat. When it comes to election, each and every voters play important role. So we cannot just count the youth or just count the infirm. Everyone, those who have a vote, they do play an important role. So I will not mention anything about this, but it's just that everyone has a right to vote. Those who have, cross 18 years plus, and all those voters, they are very much important and they have a big role to play when it comes to elect of representative. Youth population is more, and not only in Meghalaya, the entire country. So it doesn't mean that the others will neglect them. So all of them are equally important. But it's just that being a higher number. So of course, what is the mind of the youth? That might change the whatever they have in mind. That will carry on and then contribute to elect of the representative. So they'll contribute. A huge contribution will be there. In every election, even the past election and the future election, youth will always contribute a lot, and there will be a huge steps, whatever they take, especially to youth. That will give a great impact to any election.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEM's bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks, we help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEM's app on mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of hope. This is STEM's, our ride, our future.